In this tutorial, you will learn how to optimize your product pages for search engine optimization. So let's start. We have a product here, and when you go and edit it, it shows you multiple options that you can optimize for SEO, like your title, your page headings, your meta description, and your rich snippet, schema, featured tags. This is a product title that will be visible in the heading. This is the SEO title that will be visible in the taskbar or in the tab and in the search index pages. We have the Yoast SEO plugin installed. If you don't have it, you can install it. Unless you want to install and use a different plugin, you can also try that. You also have SEO analysis that tells you what is your performance and if you need to make any changes. So let's optimize the title. We don't want to show default SEO title, so we're gonna change this into product related title as well as a different title. For example, this product is suitable for kids aged 5 to 10. So you're gonna rewrite this as toys for boys and girls age 5-10 or age 5 to 10. Like this green bar shows you here, it already have availability and you can have multiple characters written in this area, but we think this is already good enough. But if you want to use the full length, you can try doing that. So like it shows, whenever a person will search about this product, or when they search about toys for boys or toys for girls with the age in their keywords in toys, whenever they are searching with the product name or different combinations, that's how it will look in the search engine or Google search or any other search engine. Now let's create a meta description for this product. You can insert variables. We don't have the page title or the page separator you have available, but page title you don't have it available. So we can make it title and see how it looks. So basically what it does is it takes this title from here and puts it in the meta description, but we are not using it. You can use that if you like, even though it is very useful. We're going to use this title in a different way. We will say buy toys for boys and girls age 5 to 10. Now the product name appears. Now if you have any features like cash on delivery or 2 weeks return policy, you can put that, or you can say good return policy, and this is good to go. Whenever a customer will search with these keywords and this product name or a different combination along with buy toys online on cash on delivery or buy toys online with return policy, now your page will start appearing. This is good enough. What you can do is you can put your contact number so it is easier for people to contact you directly from the search, or you can leave it like that. I think we're gonna leave it here. This already looks good enough. This meta description and this SEO title is good enough. It is not a good way to saturate your titles or your description with lot of keywords. If it is limited keywords and it is useful and it has good readability with all the keywords that you need to use, then you can leave it as is. And this looks good to go. Now we can press update and the changes should be visible. In the readability, it says needs improvement. So you can click on readability here. Now it says it is difficult to read, try writing shorter sentences. In many cases it will keep saying it like that, but you can try improving it. So I think this is good to go. You can put a product short description if you like. We don't have product description yet. We will be covering it in a later tutorial, so let's update this for now.